Hello, everyone! Hello, Pyromechanical, hello, Sir Jude, hello, Shuei, hello, Derpy, hello, Katten, hello, Merkia. Welcome all, hope you had a good day. Hello, stream, hello, Derpy and Jude. Hi there, how's everyone doing? I am doing pretty alright tonight. Had a lot of sleep, had a few issues with like the charging stuff, but I'm all powered up now and doing pretty good. Yeah. Today we are going to work more on the Merfolk mod that Kat requested on Monday. Hopefully we're gonna be able to get it reasonably done. I'm not sure because I've never worked with entities before and they're frankly terrifying. Yeah. Fabric finally updated, so it shouldn't crash in a dev environment anymore. That's good. And yeah, basically we're just gonna try and see how the fuck entities work, and it's gonna be fun. Yeah, a few things to note. We're now at 211 of the 275 needed for the Redebut VR AMA. That is in followers, of course. And soon I will be commissioning some new emotes, so those will be coming in once they're created. Anything else I should note right now? Mobs were the thing that made me drop Minecraft modding when I tried 8 years ago. Yeah, they're scary. Wildly inexperienced with programming at the time. Yeah, I'm experienced with programming, but mobs are still fucking terrifying. As you can see, I have the typing mode out and running this time, because that's cool. Oh yeah. Funny story. I booted up Idea like half an hour ago, and it wasn't doing, like, it was just completely refusing to do anything with Gradle. Yeah. Are we switching scene in just a bit? Yeah, heck yeah, it looks awesome. Yeah, it's really cool. One of the best parts of VMagic Mirror, honestly. Yeah, luckily I just needed to update Idea and it stopped throwing a temper tantrum. Thank fucking God. Yeah. Alright. Let's get into... I've used Idea like once. It's honestly like one of the best Java IDEs out there, but when your competitors are Eclipse and NetBeans and Dr. Java, it's not that hard. Yeah, I used Eclipse before that. Yeah, my big issue with Eclipse is that it doesn't it doesn't automatically refresh things if you edit them externally, which you're gonna do a lot if you have assets. Like, just if it had automatic refresh, it'd be so much better. And if it used like native file dialogues instead of its shitty Java ones. Yeah. Now, let's get going. Alright, so we're gonna do tonight. First, I'm gonna disable that inspection because for MCP, not for Yarn. Gonna be working on some refactoring in the background, so it might be a little bit less active than usual. Ooh, have fun! Really good to be back there. Yeah, it's good to have you. Yeah. let's see. So, last time we got the Merfolk entity like class created, and that was basically it. Because Fabric had the Windows specific, dev environment specific issue and just wouldn't work. So, yeah, let's see what we've got to do. So far, we have not done much with the main Merfolk entity class except just extend abstract piglin entity. Which means we have a lot of stuff to do. Oh boy. Alright, entity attributes, yeehaw. Yeah, so much stuff. Let me run gen sources while I look through this. Yeah, let's see. So, I'm gonna. ISPs can go suck a cactus, yeah. Yeah, ISPs suck. We should have nationalized internet. Alright, so. I'm gonna start off with just for my sake and y'all's, I'm gonna run through the entire piglin entity class and sorry, fucking hiccups. Stop it. Yeah. I'm gonna run through the entire piglin entity class, talk about what everything means, both for my sake and for y'all's, just so, like, we understand what's going on. Those dreaded voice modulator errors. What is crossbow use? Okay, that's stuff specific to crossbows. Don't really care, probably. So, let's start up here. Public class piglin entity extends abstract piglin entity and implements crossbow user. This is the just basic. Abstract piglin entity just does a few things like hunting and zombification and like some like just base stuff that isn't. Yeah, we'll see how much of this is actually like gonna be used, but yeah. That's what that does. It'll implement these. Then we've got these tracked data booleans. Tracked data is a specific Minecraft class which handles how data is stored on entities. It's kinda weird, but oh well. Yeah, got 3 booleans for that. Yeah, we've got 3 tracked booleans. There's baby, there is charging, which is like running at something, and there's dancing. There's a UUID for for an entity attribute which will make the babies faster. There's the modifier for it. There's stuff that each piglin has individually. We've got an 8-slot inventory. Got a boolean which says they're not allowed to hunt. We've got sensors, which are if I recall, like AI system for like detecting stuff. Yeah. So there's lots of different sensors for nearest items or living entities, players hurt by, etc. All that is, remember, yeah, those are Oh, those are actually static final, okay. These are just like the types of sensors that a pigman can have. And there's memory modules, and there's modules of memory because of how the brain system works, which I partially understand. Gonna quickly skate down to the end just to look at all that static stuff that was set up. So, there's. This is how those are set up. The data tracker is called data tracker.registry data for this class and the type. Then they generated a random UUID for the baby speed boost and put it in and created it. The sensor types are set up as nearest living entities, nearest players, nearest items, hurt by, and a piglin specific sensor, which I think is for gold and such. So that's the stuff that it will like look around for. Nearest living, nearest players, etc. Then the things it'll remember are the look target, who it's looking at, doors that it opened that it or open doors that it should close when it goes through them, mobs it can currently see, the nearest visible player, the nearest visible targetable player, other adult piglin, the nearby adult piglins and ones it can see, which item it's going for that it likes, who it was hurt by, and where it's walking to, why it can't reach, or how long it's been since it couldn't reach a walk target, the target it's currently attacking, attack cooldown, interaction, then paths, who it's angry at, the universal anger, which is a thing. There's void target, admire the item it's admiring, how long it's been trying to admire it, whether admiring disable walk to admire item, celebration location, dancing stuff. Oh, recently it's hunted. The nearest visible baby hoglin, nearest visible nemesis, nearest visible zombified piglin, ride target, visible adult piglin count, visible adult hoglin count. That's for like the hunting logic. Nearest visible huntable hoglin, nearest targetable player not wearing gold, nearest player holding wanted item, whether it ate recently, and the nearest repellent. There's a lot of stuff. I have no idea how to program, but this is mesmerizing. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it. It's frankly terrifying. Hey. Constructor. So. All entities should have a constructor, which takes an entity type and a world, and just passes it on to super. This .experience points comes from mob entity? Let's see where that gets used. Is that like how much XP it'll drop, maybe? I'm not sure. Learning program super worth it if there's anything you want to do with it. Yeah. Then, let's take a look. So, write custom data to tag is where it writes all its, like, personal stuff. So it needs to remember, like, when it's saved. Is it currently a baby? Has it been flagged that it can't hunt? And it needs to remember what it's got in its inventory. Then, when it gets loaded from disk, it needs to load that. It needs to pull that info up again. See, drop equipment is done when it's drop equipment is called when it's killed, and it needs to like drop all the stuff it had. Then this will make it so that it will inventory clear to list for each drop stack means that it will drop every stack in its inventory when it's killed. Let's see. Next, add item. That is just a built-in thing it uses for adding stuff to its inventory. can insert into inventory, just a wrapper, okay? In a data tracker, the data tracker is weird. This is where it does its tracking of whether it's a baby, whether it's charging, and whether it's dancing. Untracked data set, it will, This is called every time one of the track data values is modified if it needs to do anything with it. For this one, if the baby version or if the baby flag is changed, then it should recalculate how big it is because babies are small. Alright, attributes. Entity attributes suck and are hell and weird and a mess. Okay, so for piglins, they will have the default hostile entity attributes, which is basically... Oh, that's... Yike. Okay, so let's see what attributes it's allowed to have. So, it's allowed to have, or it will by default have max health, knockback resistance, movement speed, armor, armor toughness, follow range, attack knockback, and attack damage. Oh. Piglins should always be able to drop loot and XP. Oh no, we're still in hostile entity. Okay. Oh yeah, then over here, back in the Piglin one, it will set the generic max health to 16, generic movement speed to 0.35, floating point numbers are weird, this is 0.35. I'd like to learn how to program, but I don't really know where to start. It depends on what you want to do and what language you'd want to learn. I am actually, on Tuesday I'm gonna be working on a thing because I want to have a Tuesday stream, and I'm gonna work on a modding tutorial for Minecraft. And generic attack damage, so the base attack damage of a piglin is 5, which is 2.5 hearts. Catching myself having mixed feelings about video games. Oh, I feel that. Hello, Minxie. Second, sorry. Have to check out Tuesday. I want to make video games. Modding Minecraft seems like a good place to start. Yeah, definitely is. Yeah, I will. I can also link some resources then on like how to learn Java, because Java is weird. World Warframe had an update and it was good for a change. That's summary, but also big farmables. God, yeah. Alright. Next method. Can spawn. This basically just checks if a piglin is allowed to spawn in a certain block position. Piglin are fine as long as they don't spawn on top of nether wart. For the system got programming, start programming everything, and now we're trying to write our own game engine. Ooh, fun. Hello, Virtual Scallop. Nice to see you. Yeah. Then there's entity data. There's initialization of entity data, which is a separate thing that I don't actually... What the fuck is entity data? Oh, it's a thing passed to us, but it doesn't do it. I don't get it, okay? I don't get Mojang. Ooh, hydrate, stretch, and blop all at once. Ooh. Alright. And let me get that water and... Hydrated, thank you very much. My goal is having something along the lines of Unity Unreal handles a lot of stuff. Probably like saying computers just, yeah. there's a lot of stuff that engines can do. Like, engines can define, like, how you interact. Like, engines define what the world is, how you can interact with it, etc. Like, how stuff is stored. All that jazz. Yeah. So, when Piglin is initialized, it will add a random spawn bonus. A random spawn bonus to follow range, okay. Interesting. If... yeah. Oh, that's a very low number of Nautical. Then there's a 5% chance that Piglin will be left-handed. And yeah. Fabric Mug. I'll look at Fabric at some point. Hello, Mr. M. Yeah. Is Lum okay? I am just fine. Is there something wrong? Yeah. Fabric is pretty interesting. I personally just use it because I have not had the best time with Forge, and it's really confusing. I just find I'd rather only deal with one legacy code base, not two. Right. Other things. So, can be controlled by rider. Piglins cannot. If you're riding a Piglin, you're at its whim. Set persistent, that just flags it as persistent. Wondering why that's not lower down. Huh. Equipment drop chance. Okay. That's just a setter for the chance. Okay. Can pick up loot. Piglins can pick up loot. By or yeah. Well, it's possible for them to be allowed to. Can equip. Yep, that's basically if the sack is empty and if you can pick up loot. It won't. Yeah, Piglins. Oh, interesting. Pick up? Yeah. Piglins won't, like, pick up better stuff, it looks like. Assistance, yep. Interact, okay. This is what happens if a player right-clicks on them. Wait, no, why am I still in... Oh, I was looking at mob entity. This is all, like, lower down stuff. Okay. That's why it's a lot of weird setters and getters. Sorry. Is disallowed in peaceful, basically. If you're in peaceful, Piglins will still exist, because they can be non-hostile. Then can immediately despawn. Basically, that's a check for if something is far enough away that it should despawn. And basically, if it's not persistent, it can. Equip at chance is interesting. Okay, so... init equipment. Okay, yeah. Based on the local difficulty, which this one doesn't care about. If it's an adult, it has a 10%, it looks, chance of equipping each helmet, chestplate, leggings, and boots. But note that feel when you do video game homework and forget about food for an hour and a half, something because of math. Oh god, I get that, yeah. Now, brain stuff! Yeah, oh boy! I don't get brains. I don't... It's the best, yeah. I frankly don't understand how brains, like entity brains, work, so you'll have to bear with me. So this creates a profile out of the memory module types and sensor types. A profile is basically just a folder for memory module types and memory modules and sensors. Okay. There's really wrinkly things in those piglins' heads, yeah. Deserialized brain. Oh. Okay, that's just serialization stuff. Yeehaw, I guess. That brain, okay. we'll take a look at the Piglin Brain later on. Interact mob. So. I'm not actually sure what interact mob is. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. I guess that's just a right clicking? I don't know what the digital wrinkle looks like. So much new stuff and changed names. Oh yeah, no. Mojang has been doing, yeah, Mystery on, when was the last time you modded? Yeah, because Mojang has done so many refactors, so many changes, it's wild. Yeah, action result stuff. Okay. Basically that's a pass check. Player interact. This is like trading stuff. Okay, that's basically how you right-click on a piglin and year and a half ago. So that sounds like you'd probably be modding on like Forge 1.12.2, I guess? Yeah. Sounds about right? Probably, yeah. Yeah. Mojang has changed so much. Yeah, God, exactly, yeah. Mojang has changed so much stuff. There was the flattening, then they introduced brains as a logic thing for villagers. Then they redid rendering. Then they redid world gen. So much. Been doing small edits since Minecraft Beta 1.2 back when we still did Minecraft art itself, yeah. Mostly played on Steam. Yeah, I mod Minecraft a lot more than I play it. Back over to Piglin Entity. Okay, so right click if the logic is currently on the server to do the Piglin interact thing. And otherwise it'll basically just return a different action result on the client. Okay. Who do you want to have fun with, to be fair? Yeah. Yeah, active eye height. That's basically how far up the eye is for logic stuff. Basically, less than a block for babies, 1 3/4 blocks for adults. Mounted height offset is 0.9 is height times 0.92. Okay. Set baby, that's data tracking stuff. Is baby, get from the data tracker. Set cannot hunt, that's a setter, getter, mob tick, okay. Alright, it pushes for profiling, then it does tick, then it tells the brain to tick, pop, then it ticks the activities. Okay, got it. And it does mob tick at the end. Interesting. Get current experience, yeah. Check that out. Okay. Zombify code. When it gets zombified, it sees if it can pick up something with its offhand. Then it drops all its inventory and becomes a zombie. Make initial weapon. Okay, that's basically a 50% chance if it's going to be a crossbow or a golden sword. Getter or setter. Alright, that's crossbow stuff. After it shoots, it resets its despawn counter. Get activity. We're not really gonna be. This is for animation stuff. I don't know what we're going to be doing with that, if anything. Getter, setter. Taking damage. Okay. This basically means, yo, if you get attacked, get angry. Basically, forget what you were celebrating and dancing and admiring, and just attack them. Okay. Attack is, yeah, so crossbow stuff. Crossbow. Implementations of like basic stuff. And gather. Okay. Wow, wait. gathering is part of mob griefing? Oh boy. Quick stack. Basically just like, ooh, no. Alalampone, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Thank you for the hydrate redeem power mechanic. Let me have a sip. There. Well, quick stack. Basically, or can equip. Ooh, this one does actually look at like preferring new equipment and such. I'm gonna forget. Forget what? I don't know what you're talking about, Captain. Sorry. Ah. First, yeah. First new equipment. It looks like the first for my cannon. Yeah. Yeah, looking at so piglins, like golden items or crossbows. Got it. Okay. Loot. Trigger pin. Yeah, that does stuff in the brain. Over here. Does memory stuff. Oh, my stream is frozen, yeah. I can see one. Hello! Yeah. Start writing. Okay. This is basically just like checking if the baby piglins can ride, can basically stack on top of each other on a hoglin. It's great. That was passenger, yeah. That's basically just looking at all the passengers and etc. Ambient sound, that's basically brain stuff. Hurt sound, death sound, yep. Play step sound, okay, yeah. Damn, cold spaghetti hits kind of different, yeah. Play sound, okay, yeah. That's weird, okay. Zombie sound, okay. Hooray, we've looked at the entire Piglin entity class. Only took us half a fucking hour, and frankly, I don't know how much more I understand it, just because a lot of this is pretty simple, and all the weird stuff goes on in the brain. Tell you what, I was waiting for Twitch. Yeah. I haven't written anything. I'm mostly just looking at the Piglin entity code. I'm trying to understand how all this works. Oh, you're right, yeah. Yes. That's what I was reading while your Twitch was frozen. Okay. So. I am protected. Hey, activity time. Oh boy, these lines are long. Wish there's line wrapping, yeah. I'll probably figure out a way to make it line wrap, but oh well. So. Let's take a look. Ah. So, activities. These are like just the base. Yeah, these are like the different types of things it can do. So, let's look, for example, at the core activities. These have a begin value of 0. I don't really know what that means. But core activities are stuff like look around, wander around, open doors, go to Nemesis, or go to Zombified Piglin. I'll have to look at, these are probably, these are memory transfer tasks, okay. So basically, transfer memory stuff. Yeah, transferring memories between nodes, got it. Remove offhand item, mire item, defeat target, basically checking if it's hunting target, and forget angry at target, okay. Yeah. Then there's idle activities when it's not doing anything else, which is follow a gold holding player, or update its attack target, or determine if it can hunt, then hunt a hoglin. Go to Soulfire, yeah. Stuff like that. Yeah, this is basically what actually governs the logic of a Piglin's AI. There's a lot of stuff. Yeah. This is gonna be interesting. Especially because... oh boy. I just realized that these are gonna be swimming entities. Oh no. What have I done? Let me take a look at Wander Around task. Path. What type of path are you? Okay. Back to Wander Around task. Navigation. You could use Piglin task from Plastic Extension Fish. I think what we want to deal with is entity navigation, which, where are... Entity AI pathing. There's bird navigation. There's swim navigation. Yee fucking ha. Helpful. Does, yeah, okay. Awesome. Neat. Cool. Yay. Good. There is, pathing for swimming. Woohoo. I still have no idea what I'm doing. I'm really sorry. Yeah, Cat, and I am so sorry if I end up not being able to get this mod done. I didn't realize how complicated entities are. I'm so sorry. Okay. Create navigation, okay. want this world. Okay. Ah. Um. I want. All right. For now, just gonna mostly just check stuff in Piglin Entity before worrying about the brain. One thing at a time. Sorry if I'm losing track a lot. I ordered dinner a little too late and still eating. So. I think we're definitely going to want babies, because baby merfolk would be cool. So. At least this. Data tracker register. Yeah. Can it just be regular fish? Base, I mean, maybe. Ooh, a stretch and a hydrate. Ah. Thank you, Derpy. Thank you for the head pats. Oh, oh, no, it's just a sec. I've gotta quickly do something on Streamlabs. There. That should be better. Let's see. Much better, yeah. Hooray. Right. There. Yeah, for some reason the follower thing lost sync with my actual follower count, thanks Streamlabs. Probably just doesn't bracket for non-live channels or something. Alright, so. Oh, charging is for the piglin, is for the crossbow, okay. Probably gonna want these. Let me quickly just create the UUID. Then one. There. Yes, thank you. And lastly, checking. Right. I guess an inventory fade is okay for now. Right. Agent sources. Yeehaw. Um. Thanks, Bats. Oh, so many head pats. Thank you all so very much. Okay, there. Inventory, then. I'm gonna put these in static block just because. And I can mostly copy these. Then I'm just gonna format these so they're less, you know, long. Or, yeah, they're less long horizontally. God. Like, And I'm gonna have to make a lot of changes to this just to see. Strong limit. Just, there's so many memory module types. Look at it. Yeah, at some points in energy are just tedious as all hell, yeah. Use a regex replace. I could, but. Ah. Actually, do I need to extend abstract quickland entity, really? Hmm. I don't know. Everything you want is abstracted away, yeah. I will have to look at it more. This is basically just handling zombification and such, so, I'll think about it. Sorry this isn't the most interesting stream, just, to be honest, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Not trying to see GIF. Grab some of this stuff. There's attributes, of course. Interesting thing to note while we're looking at this. Let me pull up some stuff. Wrong one. Yeah. Drowned, for some reason, have a chance to drop a gold ingot, which is interesting. Just like, huh. Yeah, so like, drowned are like, kind of associated with gold too. And unless I wanted to create a new weapon material, which I'm not entirely sure I do at the moment. Yeah. I'll just have them spawn with gold as well, because iron would rust. What's a trident repair with? Nothing! It doesn't fucking repair. But, yeah. I'm gonna be right back. Just a minute. And I am back. Hello. Hello. I need to think about, like, what I want to do here. Like, do I... Thank you, Rabbit Friend. Thank you. I kind of want to do a bit of, like, just... I don't want to, like, run away from, like, working on the entity stuff, but... I just feel like I need to think out what the mod is gonna be more, and I wanna, like, kind of see if I can, like, do some, like, block or item, like, I wanna design some blocks and stuff, some decorative shit, because, frankly, what we've got right now for, goddamn fucking... Just Prismarine sucks. There's so little variety. Running away to make strategy is a good idea. Let me... hydrate, thank you. I want to quickly do something. Older. No, there's square rocks. At least one block like that. Yeah. Keep forgetting there's a dude around an apartment building who likes to scream. Oh god. I'm so sorry. This man could definitely have some coral pink accents. Ooh. Oh. I just had an idea. Let me quickly... Call for stuff the same vein as coral is good, yeah. I just had a fucking idea. Let me pull up Minecraft. Back up. Don't really need. So. Here's my concept. You may notice that last time I was doing this in my modded snapshot profile, or in my modded 116.4 profile, but I have just loaded this up in snapshot. What's that conduit power icon? That's the vanilla one, actually. I don't have any resource packs or anything on right now. It's because there's a conduit in here. Now, here's my idea. Is it a normal item? That is... kind of? It is based off... Where is it? It is based off the Heart of the Sea that you use for conduits. Yeah. Here's my concept. What if we add lightly weathered cut copper stairs into the build palette? look at that. There's a pink accent now. How do you get them to not weather? With honeycomb! You wax them, so... Oh, yes, that... Oh, that's poggers! So, let's say you have a lightly weathered, let's say you have a lightly weathered cut copper, and you have a honeycomb, and you have crafting table. Place down. You put that in, and a honeycomb makes it waxed, which means it won't oxidize anymore. Yeah. Oh. Pat, thank you so much for deciding that this should be on the snapshots. By the way, what is today's PogChamp? Oh, thank you for the head pats. Ah, that's today's Pog. Neat. Now, honestly, I've talked about this a little elsewhere, but I really think that having a... I have to find through... Not shabby. Yeah, like just... I honestly think it is a really cool idea to just have a different PogChamp every day. Like, just... Twitch's biggest strength is its community, and just, like, it's such a cool way to do a community spotlight. Like, just showing, like, just how strong the community culture is. It's like, just... As someone who's done, like, community management stuff in the past, it's just so fucking cool to me! Oh, keyboard is so cute. Okay, the keyboard is so cute. Thank you, Delta! Or, yeah, thank you, Faith. Oh, wait, no, little Delta, that's Faith, you're right. I wish I knew who that was. But yeah, you're so fucking cool. Thank you. Yeah, oh, yes. Yes. Oh, this is so good. Then I could maybe throw, like, the dark prismarine back in somewhere? Yeah, like up here. Ooh! Uptrim months have super. Yes. Oh, this is. Oh my god. Yes. This is. Thank you, Mojang. Thank you so fucking much for this. Holy shit. I'm sorry, I'm freaking out. This is perfect. Weird lighting artifacts, but it's not my fault. Freak out so durable. Oh, B. Yeah, it's just so good. What if I actually change the whole thing dark? I'm not sure where I could fit the dark prismarine in, but it feels like it needs at least a bit of something. Maybe it's the flooring? Right, that one back. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Yeah. But that is the floor. Yeah, that is... Oh, this is so good! Ah, this is great. Yeah, yeah. That's perfect. Ah. Yeah, I'm so glad they added a pinky, like a... Like, I love this... This reddish pink color is one of my favorite colors, honestly. It's just so good. Um, it's just such a good color stylistically. It goes great with green. Yeah, it's just, oh god, this is perfect. Yeah. Nice. Bit thick, but... Yeah, alright. I don't know. Maybe... Oh no, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, yeah. Beefing it up a little. Ah. Yeah, this is beautiful. Kinda wish I could have that, like, just the, I kinda wish I could have just, like, a corner of it, but oh well. Yeah. Just the pink color's perfect. Fuck. Wow. Hmm. Then... What else could... Red kelp, maybe? Maybe that is like... Helps like blocks and villages sometimes. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Your turn. Welcome back, Part Mechanical. We have just realized that lightly weathered cut copper is the most poggers block in Minecraft for this. Maybe you would still be, yeah, and just use the copper for roofing. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. Copper base. Got a bunch of pointy stuff reconfigured in a way that lets me modify what I do with it down the line, so that's Pog. Nice. You can make PogChamp even better than they currently did by simplifying to replace PogChamp to PegChamp. I still maintain that they need to hold a new, they need to hold a tournament to find the new champ of Pogs. Needs to be more walls and shit. God, the candles are so pretty. Well, they're at it, can they get rid of all the Pepe mugs? Yeah. Mossy cobble wall? Maybe. That might work. Imagine if there was like mossy sandstone. That'd be interesting. Yeah, I don't know if mossy stone fits with the palette. That'd be pretty cool, yeah. But like, for us, instead of moss, it would be algae, probably. Vines or seagrass on top of sandstone, yeah. Elf-infested work a bit more thematically. I am thinking, like, looks pretty alright. Actually, yeah, the mossy stuff, the mossy cobble actually looks pretty nice. Maybe if it was, well, you know. Mossy gives a good vibe underwater. I wanna try something. Let me just, okay, I need to. Yeah, let me pull up RPW real quick. Where is it? Get RPW, right? There it is. Much looks like algae to me. Yeah, if you read it, Mossy Cobble will also be Mossy Prismarine. Yeah, let me pull up what I'm thinking real quick. Fuck. Alright, over an ice sprite. Here's what I'm thinking. So, first we're gonna just... Might not go with Lemma Green in the final, but for now just wanna... I'm just gonna cover up all the moss and... Lemma Green seems coppery, yeah. Honestly, I have a very coppery color palette. Like, just been thinking about, like, the reddish pink and such. Now, if I double click and pull you over to color, yeah. Now, multiply. Oh. Touch. Soft light. Ooh! Oh! That looks like algae! Now that looks like algae. Subtract? Subtract is gonna be... Yeah, no, not subtract. Either that or like a weakened color. Yeah. You know, soft light. Yeah, soft light. Damn, that's some algebra. Yeah. I like that bright version. Subtract makes bloody copy. Yeah, that's too bad. We cannot like just this. Maybe. Maybe that. Soft light, yeah. Soft light, but darkened down just a bit. Yeah, no, that looks like algae. Let me get a picture of what I'm thinking. Yeah, no, that's a good example of it. Let me pull it up. When we do get deep sea algae monsters, I am not making more than one entity for this fucking project. Look, the only reason I'm making an entity is because Catton saved up at frankly ridiculous amount of points for not being, for not cheering, not gifting, not like subscribing. Like, just look at this algae, like just that green there, and just compared with that, just this is a bit more vibrant. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm going for. Yeah, I like that. I definitely like that. Yeah, now the question is, let me pull up RPW again. Where's, sandstone? Now, let's see. There. I need the... Yeah, I do a wand on you. And I select the right layer. And... Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, that's poggers. Yeah. Looks like ether cobble. A bit, yeah. Looks cool stuff. Dempsey darken it? It'll look different underwater. Actually, I should do that to the... Yeah, I'm gonna do that with... There. God, MCRPW and app data, Jesus. Downloads. Nice. So good, yeah, now... Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna look really good. Let me... Okay. Let's tab back over to idea for a bit. Wish I was a deep sea algae monster. Oh, mood. Running out of creative juice, keep an eye out for robots who want to advertise rather bad things for now. Thank you! Yeah, it's just fine. I should make register methods. Hello, old sword! Finding out desert fun. can... God, I'm so glad I made these templates. They're so good. Now I have to go over to Assets, and craft block states, and find a wall. Wait, no, I don't. We need post, side, and side tall. There. I can go back down to andesite. Well, I put that in the block state, not the... Now I need the models. Okay. Block states. Models, block. Andesite. Oh, there's also andesite wall inventory. Okay. Got it. And if I double check, that's what the item one looks like. Yeah. Alright, let's see how these look. They're not gonna look good because I forgot to put the texture in. Try again. Okay, let's go. Could have copied the world over into Devon as well, but I'll do it later. Come on. I forgot that they changed the positions of hardcore and creative. No, fuck it. I'm gonna copy the file. Just a sec. Stop that. Stop it. Stop it. Shut up. There. Okay. Very quick. Just a second. Okay. Good. Go player. Go. Hey, my rebuilt render layer works now. Hell yeah! Started over. I didn't say I started over. Yeah, this one. Oh, right, data tags. Ugh. Gotta say, this doesn't look as great in-game. I think I might have an idea of what to do. We're not supposed to be able to see the Minecraft window. What's doing that? Why did Minecraft get hidden? What? Right, yeah, so, my mistake, I forgot to add walls to the wall tag, which lets walls connect. And, this just doesn't look the best. I think I might have an idea on how to deal with it. Weird how it tiles. Like a strange creeper, yeah. Where's Mossy Cobble? Where the fuck is Mossy Cobble? There it is. We compare it. Yeah, I know what the issue is. Search is right there, yeah. I'm not gonna use search. Looks kinda neat, yeah. I think I definitely know what the issue is, and I'm gonna fix it. His sprite is up. Hello, his sprite. Okay. Two major issues here. One, this is the pattern for fucking sandstone. This is the pattern for mossy cobble. They don't match, and that's the big issue that it's got right now. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna quickly bring you to 32 wide, 16 tall? There. And we can pull you over here. Then make a new layer and edge detect or something. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at what I can do to just make it look more natural. Like it's actually supposed to be there instead of being pasted on a surface it didn't grow on. There are total 5 different colors of moss. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You make a new layer and yeah, oh, read that already. I don't know if, like, edge detection is really something that a sprite can do. No, I'm first gonna just quickly trace along, like, the contour lines. Yeah, that gives us, like, an idea of where, like, the shapes should go. Of course, not all of them are gonna have the bottoms covered. Yeah. Maybe some. By the way, yes, this is how I do most of my texturing, is basically just kit bashing. Just like grab some textures that already look good, mix them together in another way that looks good. Right. Never mind. Uh, there. Other one. Looking pretty alright. Maybe... like that? Yeah, that's actually looking really nice. Yeah, fits along with the sandstone a lot better. Maybe just a bit more over here. I can't see the... let me check on stream. Yeah, it looks fine on my display. So... By the way, yeah? Oh, the Minecraft window. Oh, I don't have Minecraft open. I'm still working on the texture. Love the keyboard. Thank you very much. That's a feature of VMagic Mirror. And the size back to 16. Okay. View, tiled mode. Looks fine tiled horizontally, but vertically is a bit Yeah, let's see what I can do about that. You, I'll... Gotta go. So cute. Thank you for joining. Hope you have a great evening. Grab something from... Oh. Oh. Neat. Full tile. Now there's a bit of separation in... This is an interesting and really fun challenge, honestly, just trying to figure out how to tile. And let's see how that's looking. That's actually looking pretty good. I'm gonna do like one last bit, just so yeah. Yeah, that's looking really good. Oh wait, colors. Normal. I... Oh, someone sent me your stream and told you were working on Minecraft Mermaids. I love mermaids. Awesome, yeah. Hello, looks at the Switch. We're working on some of the stuff for the mermaid villages right now. Inverse. And this one will be green. Now, let's see how this looks. So, sunken sandstone, and let's pull it back over to idea. Paste, yeah, overwrite. Mermaids are very rad. Oh shit, I forgot the tag thing again. Oh, Alexa does Twitch, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Wait, I forgot this has to be in Minecraft. There. Alright, let's see how this goes. Ooh, that's looking a lot better. Yeah, that is looking real nice. Still a bit odd, but I wonder what I can do to fix it. Maybe make it like softer? A bit more transparent? Yeah, I'll think about it. Yeah, definitely looking much better from earlier. Oh, just figured something. Yeah? Needs more contrast. Yeah, more contrast, you're thinking? Needs more. I was real confused if Game Engine app wouldn't work sometimes. Yeah, I was thinking it might want a little less contrast. It might want to, like, merge in more. Background really whited out and flat, yeah. Look at prismarine contrast versus algae, yeah. Alright, so... There, that should help a bit. And how about... Was that accidentally hitting a pause hotkey? Whoops. Yeah, let me just try a quick edit, like just basically just removing one layer so I didn't show you in a sprite. Overwrite. I think I might know what the issue is, and if it is that, then I'll see what I can do. Integer. Okay, that's better. Definitely better, yeah. But still one more thing. Also, beef clock is our checking time. It is 9. Yeah, I know. I want to at least get this, like... I want to just at least be a bit happier with this before I sign off for the night. Yeah, let me try one more thing. This is going to be on Forge or Fabric. This is on Fabric. Now let me... I forgot to focus a sprite, but I'm basically just... You'll see in a sec, I'm just shifting like the moss layer by a pixel. Right. Hydrate, thank you, I will. Oh. Noah's come in at the end. Hello there. Hello, Kenny. Hey. Yeah. That helps a lot, actually. Wow. Yeah. Whoa. Better with... Yeah. Yeah, like just... All I did was shift the moss down by a pixel, and now there's a lot more contrast. A few, like, stray pixels at the top are a bit weird, might do something about them. Looks sandy, but yeah. Actually, what if I did that to the sandstone itself instead, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, that helped a lot. Try up a pixel? Yeah, no, I'm trying to think of, like, how to do it without there being a weird scene. I'm trying to set up Minecraft Alternative Auth server just for fun recently. I've had to get it to work. Fun fact, every time a single player it talks to the auth server. Yep. I'm gonna pull open, or I'm gonna focus a spray. I haven't gotten any guess class might be working. What y'all been up to? Don't work. Well, Text Friday, so been getting Yellowstone with lightsaber done. Yeah. I am. We are currently working on some textury stuff for the Merfolk mod that Catton requested. If I do this, then what am I? If I clean it up, maybe? looks nice. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Let's do it in tiled. Yeah, that looks a lot better tile-wise. Might take out that last pixel? Yeah, that's good. That's really good, actually. Wow. One last try. No. Weakened contrast. That does a good amount of mod work, actually, yeah. What, you make mods? Yeah. The 10k point redeem. Yeah, yeah, if you save up 10,000 channel points, then you get to request that I make a Minecraft mod to your specification. Okay, that does fit in nicer. Yeah. Less than 6 hours is the idea, yeah. I've been working about 3 hours on this mod so far. Just for, like, sense of time. Yeah, I have not yet touched entities because, frankly, I am terrified to. Yeah. This one I might just turn into, like, a full project, just because it's neat and a really cool concept, but I can't, like, just entities with, like, AI and stuff, I can't really do on, mod request from here on out. Total of this stream, total! Because I did about an hour of stuff, on Monday, then 2 hours today. Let's see. Yes, yeah, that's great, yeah. I am so happy with this. Yeah, this looks amazing. Hell yeah. I might at some point make a, like, proper top texture for this or something, not sure. Yeah. Just because it doesn't really tile well top to side. Ooh! Alexa does quit! Twitch, thank you very much for subscribing with Twitch Prime. Thank you for updating to LMOS. Okay, because paying half attention to stream timer threw me off. Yeah, you deserve this. Think this mod is cool and you're cute. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm gonna do a different, like, top and bottom for it at some point. Just because those don't tile super well. But yeah. Like this. Oh. Yeah, these look super fucking neat, honestly. I'm really happy with them. Here's a good screenshot angle. But yeah. I have access to blushing pads and mild biases since I made the head pat. It is a very good head pat emote. Ooh, Pyromechanical, thank you for also subscribing with Twitch Prime and upgrading to LMOS. But yeah, with that, I think we are, like, I think I'm done for the day. I will continue to figure out what the fuck entities, how the fuck entities work off screen. But yeah. Thank you all. Yeah, let's tag over to just chatting now. This is, best of luck in that and everything. But yeah, I am really happy with this face texture. I'll make a better top texture and bottom texture or bottom texture's fine. I'll make side and top textures soon. Yeah. Yeah, they're complicated. Yeah. Let's tag over to just chatting. Yeah, you have a good night, Lemma. Yeah. We're gonna, like, hang out for at least a little bit while we figure out who to raid. Yeah. Yeah. Some notes. I am gonna be taking Monday off just because I wanna do some stuff with a girlfriend of mine. And I will be streaming Tuesday to work on my Minecraft modding tutorial that I've been needing to get back to for fucking ever. Yeah. There are some really... Yeah, sounds like solid playing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing some audio recording and such. Yeah. Thank you all very much for hanging out and joining in. This has been very fun. I'm a bit tired now. I wonder who we should raid. Let's see who's on. Mungo Taiga, Fake Eggs, Gamma Inc., Icky, Adigadin Shan, Nemranai Kai, Starcross, Moni, Yansha, Astronomic, Milk Drops. Thanks for streaming. You're very welcome. Saturday should be a few folks on. Yeah. Actually, yeah. If I recall, Milk Drops was on hiatus and is back. These are excellent emotes. Yeah, I'm very happy with all of them, and I'm gonna be getting some more soon. So look forward to that. Thanks for the stream. You're very welcome. Yeah. Looks like, yeah, I think we're gonna go raid Milk because she was taking a hiatus for a bit and is now back. Looks like she's doing some tabletop sim stuff. So... what should our raid phrase be? That's a good question. I don't know. Yeah. Stay in so you can get the channel points for the raid. Maybe Sandy raid? There. We'll do that. You got a computer virus, JK. Yeah. Let's get this raid ready. We're gonna... Yeah. Thank you all so very much for joining in tonight. It's been really fun. Got a lot of texture work done and some planning. Had no idea for the block palette of the villages, and it's overall really neat. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be playing something. I once again haven't thought of what. I think I might do a bit more Cloudpunk. That was fun last time. Yeah, and Monday I'm off, then Tuesday I will be making the modding tutorial or working on the modding tutorial on stream. When you get over to Milk's channel, please don't forget to click her profile picture twice so your view counts for a raid, and give her a follow because she is quite cool. Thank you to everyone who joined in today. Thank you, Alexa, for the new follow, getting us one closer to the re-debut and the VR re-debut. And yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining in, and I will send you over in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon.